Did you know that some Toyotas have a touch keypad entry system? So on this Toyota right here, if you take a look at the windshield, we have already disconnected this so there's no power going to it. But much like Ford's design where there's a keypad system on the door handle, you can go, you set this thing to a preset code, you touch the windshield, and it'll unlock the doors for you so you can leave keys locked in the car or whatever. If you come out to it and you don't have your keys in your hand, then you can just use this touch system here to unlock the doors. Whenever you have a windshield replaced on one of these and it has this system, there's a specific part that has to be replaced with it. The way this thing works is this is like a gel pad sticker type material that the backside has an adhesion on it that sticks to the device itself. And then the front side has the display on it, and this goes towards the windshield. These things can be very finicky to put on. It has to be pressed out perfect or you wind up with air bubbles and stuff in the system. But if you have a Toyota that has this style keypad system on it, then you have to be specific when you're having a windshield replaced and say, hey, look, I've got the keypad system on this truck, and you guys will need to get a gel pad for it whenever you do the replacement. There were very few of these vehicles that were made with this. So I've been doing this for 10 years, and I think this is the third or fourth one we've done. So it's not super common. Therefore, it really doesn't justify keeping them in stock. But yeah, if you're ever getting a windshield replaced on one, be sure to let your provider or whoever is doing the repairs on your vehicle, hey, I've got this touch keypad system on my Toyota, and we need to make sure that we have the parts to do that along with the replacement.